But at the same time, you've got these other advancements in technology like humanoid robots.
Mhm.
Where these humanoid robots, there was a live stream I've talked about a few times, and I'll just throw it up on the screen really quickly, that shows last week a humanoid robot working on a production line for 8 days straight. And they show it up against a human being, and it beats the human being on the production line because it doesn't need to sleep. It just needs to be charged for a couple of hours to full power. And so you combine these two forces, super intelligence and the disruption. You can think of it like one is disrupting this thing here, the brain, and the intelligence within the brain. And then the other technology that's emerged at the same time is disrupting my muscles and my mechanics. And the two come together to make, voila.
Absolutely. So you face joblessness at all kinds of levels. And people are only beginning to realize the implications of that. And not just low-level repetitive jobs, it's high-level jobs like lawyers. And there's a deep-seated ethical problem running through all of this. And it's a very simple one. It's that technology advances much faster than the ethics that's needed to underpin it. And the difficulty is the people that have all the power will say, well, we need some ethical control of all of this, but we need to get on with the research to make it safe for you.